there is, on the one hand, the codified knowledge about the city at the center, government, experts, etc. And then there are all these knowledges in different parts of the city. I use neighborhood for shorthand. And in each of these neighborhoods, you have the grandmother, the child, the homeless person, whatever. Each one experiences the city differently. But I don't know that totally, but they have knowledges that are specific. And so I argue sort of what would happen if we enable this open sourcing of a city's neighborhoods, and that codified knowledge begins to be sort of, these particular knowledges begin to insert themselves in the codified knowledge of the center. That could be a very disruptive kind of effect that can actually multiply the diversity and the need to revisit one's knowledge. When we had this terrible storm, this Sandy, it's like a super hurricane, a mega hurricane, half of the city, half of Manhattan was underwater. The other half was fine. They were having dinner parties and, restaurants were open, but that, where we lived, was underwater, so to speak. And they discovered all the things, like the government, that they did not know about the city. And so you begin to see that the specificity of local knowledges can actually be quite disruptive of this codified thing. Now, for me, in all of this, there is also a politics. There is a sense of what I know matters, and a sense of that you are a maker, that, you are not just the low income whatever.